In this video, we're going to subtract 3 digits from 3 digits, so 3-digit numbers, and this one is going to involve regrouping or borrowing, okay? So if we have a problem like this that says subtract 170 minus 146. So the first step is always to remember your place values, okay? This is the ones column, this is the tens column, and this is the hundreds column. Okay, so now we can just go ahead and subtract and remember to borrow if needed. And if you need other resources to do this, I have some links in the description that show you how to do this using models. If you've forgotten, you can just have a refresher on that. As well, you could just follow along in the ebook, this exact lesson, okay? So we can't subtract 0 minus 6, right? There's nothing here to subtract. So we have to go here to the tens and borrow. So let's do that. Okay, so let's borrow from 1 from the 7. So the 7 becomes a 6. And we borrowed 1 from the tens column, so we put the 1 here in front of the 0. So this actually now becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 is going to be 4. And now we have 6 minus 4, and that's 2. And then 1 minus 1 is 0, so we leave this blank. We could put a 0 there, it won't be wrong, but the practice is not to put anything. So the answer to this is 24. And don't worry, you've got this. Anyone can do math. If you are struggling with this a little bit, just rewatch the video. The more practice you get, the better it'll be.